Alright guys, this is the old chicken feeder, and the goats figured out there was chicken food in there, so they rammed it until it broke to get to the food, because they really like food. I'm gonna take it apart and attempt to make a better one. So the one I'm going to build is going to be made out of this galvanized trash can. What I'm going to do now is clean off the old caulking off of these 90-degree pipe fittings. Alright, so I'm going to use this cutout from the old feeder to trace a circle onto here so that I could cut it out. I'm only going to put 4 access holes in this one because it's a lot smaller. I'm going to use this cutoff wheel on my angle grinder to try and cut this circle out. Well, that worked a little bit better than I thought. It's not very pretty, but it doesn't have to be pretty because I'm going to hit it with a file real quick. And we'll file it down, and then we're going to use silicone on it, so that'll fill in any of the holes, gaps. Well, that seems like a pretty tight fit, and I think I like it. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. So this is a street 90, I believe, so it's like curved a little bit. And you take one end and you cut a circle like that, and you cut a little bit off that. So this sits on the bottom of the trash can. That way chicken feed could get in underneath it. And then the chickens stick their head in this hole and they eat it. If you could see in here, you could see how that one sits on the bottom. That's pretty much how you want it. And then you pour a bag of chicken food in here and it fills in that hole, and they're able to stick their little necks in the hole and get the chicken food. There you go, I got the 4 pieces of pipe in. Now I'm going to use some silicone to seal up the inside and the outside. You can kind of see now how the chicken food sits in there.